Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. This is the continuation video of the excretory system. You know, student, in the previous video already I taught you about that the excretory organ which are present in our body and what is the main excretory organs and their location, their structures already I have explained in my previous video. And in this video I am going to explain about that the what is the main structure of the excretory system, internal structure of the excretory system and the structure of nephron. Let us start with the excretory system. Let me first revise the excretory system. The kidney is the main excretory system in our body. The excretory system of human being consists of pair of kidney, a pair of ureter and urinary bladder and urethra. See student, the pair of the kidney is the bean shape. I explain about that. The kidney is a bean shape which are located on the either side of backbone. The main function of the kidney is first is the blood purification, remove the waste product and maintain the water balance in our body. There are three main functions of the kidney. First is the blood purification, elimination of waste product and maintain the water and iron balance in our body. And the pair of ureter, it is the main function of pair of ureter is transfer the urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. Okay, and the another main function of the kidney is the formation of urine, and whatever urine is formed which is transferred through by ureter from kidney to the urinary bladder, and the urinary bladder is temporary store the urine, and through by urethra we are throughout the urine outside our body. Got it student? These are our excretory system, and in the excretory system ureter, urinary bladder, blood vessels, these are the accessory part of the excretory system. Means what? These part, urinary bladder, ureter, urethra, these only support to the excretory system. The main part of the excretory system is the kidney. Kidney is the main part of our excretory system. It is the hard work part. Like in our body is a heart, lungs. These are a very important part in our body. Same like that, kidney is also very important part of our body. When the kidney is failure, it is a result to death. Now let us see what is the internal structure of the kidney and what is the function of the kidney. See student, this is the internal structure of the kidney. This is the longitudinal section of the kidney. See student, I told you kidney is the main important part of our excretory system. This is the internal structure. This is the longitudinal section of kidney. There are two main part of the kidney. The outer region, this outer region is called as the cortex, and this inner region is called as the medulla. This inner region is called as the medulla. Got it? These two main region of the kidney. See student, outer region is a dark as compared to the inner region. Means the cortex is a dark in color as compared to the medulla. Medulla is the light in. This part is called as the medulla and this part is called as the cortex. There are two main region of our kidney. See student, whatever blood vessels, whatever words which is related to kidney, it is called as the renal. See, in the lungs belong for pulmonary. I explain about that. And liver is called as the, I explain. And same like that, the renal word is related to the kidney, means whatever blood vessels which enter in the kidney is called as the renal artery, and whatever blood vessel which is leaving from the kidney is called as the renal vein. The cortex region, it is the outermost region, it is the main region, and the inner region is called as the medulla. I told you the medulla is made the fine strip-like structure. See, this strip-like structure is called as the renal pyramids. This strip-like structure, the apex part of the strip-like structure, this apex part of the strip-like structure is called as papilla. Papilla. This apex part of the pyramid is called as the papilla, and this innermost part is called as the renal pelvis. Means there are three main region of the internal part of the kidney. The outer part is a cortex region, this is the medulla region, and the renal pelvis. As you know that student, the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Means our body is made from a single cell. All living things are made from a single cell. Our nervous system is also made from a millions of neuron. Means the neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Same like that, the nephron is the structural and functional unit of excretory system. In each kidney, there are millions of nephrons. Millions of nephrons, and the nephrons is the main function to excretion. Means the kidney is made from nephron. I will zoom it. The nephron, this structure is called as the nephron. Later I will explain with the help of diagram in zoom in. This part is called as the nephron. This part is lie in the cortex region, and the tubular part is lie into the medulla region. What is, student? What is the nephron? Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. This is the internal again I will revise it. This is the internal structure of the kidney. There are three main part of the internal structure. The outermost part of the kidney is called as the cortex region. The next to the cortex, this part is called as the medulla, and this inner part is called as the renal pelvis. This strips-like structure is called as the renal pyramids, and the apex part of the pyramid is called as the papilla. This papilla is means opening into the renal pelvis, and this renal pelvis is first enter the flesh urine, and this urine is transferred through by ureter to the urinary bladder. The blood vessels which is bring the oxygenated blood from aorta to the kidney, this called as the renal artery, and the blood vessel which leaving from the kidney, it's called as the renal vein. Understood, student? And these are the nephron. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Let us see what is the structure of nephron. What is the part of nephron? First, we will zoom in this part. Nephron. See, student. This is the longitudinal section of the kidney. When I will zoom this part, it is look like that. Means the nephrons are lie in both cortex region and medulla region. The some part of the nephron which is lie in the cortex region, and the tubular parts is lie into the renal medulla, and the nephron is like that structure. Got it? I will explain what is the nephron. Now you understood where it is the location, and millions of nephrons are present in each kidney. We have a pair of kidney, means the 1 million nephron is present in the one kidney. Two kidney have a 2 millions of nephrons are present. It is very small in structure, and the nephron is the structural and functional unit in our body. Let us see what is the structure of nephron. This is the structure of nephron. Nephron is the main structural and functional unit of kidney. See student, first I will explain what is the actual structure and part of the nephron. See, this cup shape like structure, is called as the Bowman capsule, and this, the mass of the node like blood capillaries, the node of blood capillaries is called as the glomerulus. See, the renal artery which is enter into the kidney, in the last lesson I explained about that. When the artery is converted into the many capillaries, this is called as the arterioles. Means in our kidney have a millions of nephrons, and when the renal arteries enter into the kidney, it is divided into the many capillaries, and these capillaries is called as the arterioles. And after each arterioles is enter into the each nephron, means these artery which is enter into the nephron, these artery is called as the afferent artery, the artery which is bring the blood into the nephron. These arterioles is converted into the many capillaries. These mass of capillaries is called as the glomerulus, and these two part together means what? The Bowman capsule and the glomerulus together is called as the Malpighian tubules, Malpighian capsule. Got it student? Afferent artery which is enter into the Bowman capsule is divided into the many capillaries. These mass of capillaries is called as the glomerulus. The cup like structure is called as the Bowman capsule, and both glomerulus and Bowman capsule are together is called as the Malpighian tubules or Malpighian capsule. It is also called as renal capsule. Got it student? Then the nephron have a two main part. First is the cup like part and another is the tubular part. There are two main part of the nephron. Got it? The next part of the Bowman capsule is next to this tubular part is called as the proximal convoluted tubule. It is called as also shortly PCT. Proximal means what? Nearer to the Bowman capsule, and convoluted means the tube is many twisted, many folded, so it is called as the convoluted. This part of the nephron is called as the proximal convoluted tubules, means the tubular part which is near to the Bowman capsule, this part is called as the proximal convoluted tubules, and this tubular part is new into the U-shaped structure. This U-shaped structure is called as the loop of Henle. This tube structure, the U-tube shape structure, here pin-like structure is called as the loop of Henle, and next to the loop of Henle leads to this convoluted part, and this convoluted part is called as the distal convoluted tubule. Distal means what? The part is the far away from the Bowman capsule. This is the Bowman capsule. This is the near convoluted tubules. It's called as the PCT. It is the far away from the Bowman capsule. This is called as the distal convoluted tubule, DCT. And the distal convoluted tubules are leads to the collecting duct. Got it student? What is the structure of nephron? The two main structure of nephron. First is the cup-shaped structure. These together is called as the Malpighian tubule, and these are the tubular structure. This tubular structure is divided into three parts: proximal convoluted tubules, loops of Henle, and distal convoluted tubules. When the afferent artery enter and divided into the many capillaries, again these capillaries are rejoined, and form the arterioles, venules. It is called as the efferent arterioles, and these efferent arterioles is run parallel to the tubular part of the nephron. In the function, I will explain why these efferent arterioles are run parallel to the nephron. Got it, student? This is the structural unit of the kidney, and this is the functional unit also. Why? Because the main unit for urine formation, filtration of blood, remove the elimination of waste product, osmoregulation, maintains the water and iron balance in our body. These functions is performed by the nephron in our kidney. So the nephron is called as the structural and functional unit of kidney. Understood, student? What we have studied in this video? We have revised the structural and functional unit of kidney. We have revised the excretory system. Then we see the internal structure of the kidney. In the internal structure, there are three main parts. Outer part is called as the cortex. The inner part is called the medulla. The medulla is composed of many pyramids, and each pyramid, the apex part is called papillae, and these papillae enter the renal pelvis. Whatever urine is formed into the nephron, which is first fresh urine is entered into the renal pelvis, and this urine is transferred to the kidney, to the urinary bladder through by ureter. Understood? This is the longitudinal section of the kidney, and each kidney is contain the many nephrons. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of our excretory system. The two main parts of the nephron, first is the cup shaped part. This part is called as the Malpighian tubules, and this part is called as the tubular part. And this tubular part is divided into three: proximal convoluted tubule, loops of Henle, and distal convoluted tubules. And these distal convoluted tubules are leads to the collecting duct. These loops of Henle is called as the descending limbs, and these loops of Henle is called as the ascending limbs. And this blood network, it is also called as the vasa recta. The afferent arterioles is divided into the many capillaries, and these blood vessels are run parallel to the tubular part. This is also called as the vasa recta. Got it, student? Now I will explain which part of the nephron is present. See, the above part means this part of the nephron which is lie in the cortex region, and this tubular part which is lie in the kidney is the medulla region. Got it, student? So in the medulla, like a strip like pyramids. Understood? What is the structure of nephron, and what is the internal structure of kidney. Next video I will explain what is the function of the nephron, means how does the nephron is the functional unit of kidney, how does the blood purification in the nephron, and how does the formation of urine in the nephrons and where it is transferred. I will explain in my next video. Thank you.